Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to download Wise mobile application on your iPhone. So first, go ahead and open your App Store. In the search box, search for Wise. You'll be able to find the application in the search results. Simply tap on the download button to begin the downloading process for the app, and once the application has been downloaded, you should be able to open the application whenever you want.
Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the open button to open the app on your mobile device. That is how you can easily download Wise mobile application on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.